Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you where we discuss with you Admiral LittleBox Insurance review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you are a young or new driver in the UK looking to escape eye-watering insurance codes here, Admiral's LittleBox is likely on your radar. Now, it is a massively popular telematics option that slashes your upfront premium and gives you total flexibility on setup, offering a simple plug-in device or a tiny Bluetooth windscreen pod that links straight to your phone. Now, the biggest positive here is the instant freedom. Now, you are legally covered to drive the second your policy goes live, meaning there is zero waiting around for an engineer to show up. Unlike older black box policies here, Admiral doesn't enforce a strict illegal curfew. Now, you can drive whenever you want, and your plan comes back in by Admiral's highly rated claims network and a very user-friendly digital dashboard. However, the real-world tracking is where things get kind of tricky here. Now, even though there isn't a hard curfew, driving between like 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. is heavily flagged as high risk. So regular night driving will quickly tank your score even if you are being perfectly safe. Now, the box sensors are also notoriously sensitive on what they call smoothness. It lacks human context, which means it will often mark you down for accelerating firmly to merge safely onto a fast motorway slip road or braking hard to avoid a sudden hazard. Now, the most frustrating trap involves technical glitches here. Now, if the pod and your phone app stops communicating and miss a few weeks of data, Admiral can slap you with a sudden 7-day cancellation notice here. So because a canceled insurance policy follows you for life and ruins your future rates across the entire market, you have to be highly proactive about checking the app to make sure it is actually working. Now, ultimately here, LittleBox is completely worth it if you want to survive your first year of driving without breaking the bank and you mostly sticking to daytime roads. But if you work night shifts or hate the stress of computer chip micromanaging your braking here, you are better off paying a bit more for a standard policy here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.